Wakiri Guy Spencer uria ukoreirwo maitho ni thitango cia guthondeka marua ma igai ma ngungo muoroto ari kwendia buroti igiri cia muigana wa ciringi mirioni 500 cia muonjoria ROBSON ari ugwati-ini wa guikio ngono. O ni thutha wa mucirithania wa igoti guku Nairobi gwathana thutha wa Spencer kwaga gwikinyia igoti-ini. Watho wa guikio ngono gwa Spencer kurutitwo ni mucirithania Mark Ekubi akienda Spencer agekinyia mbere yake tariki 11 mweri uyu gwitika thitango cia guthondeka marua ma ngungo.
Initially, Mr. Osemo sought for a date after the 25th of July, after he presented the accused person's itinerary of him traveling back to the country. So the court accommodated and indulged the accused person and the defense, and the date was taken on the 5th of August. That was yesterday. Yesterday, Mr. Osemo indicated that the accused person was still in the UK, tending to his son who was unwell.
Ihoya ria wakiri wa mwikoiro ria kwenda Spencer aheo hinda makiria niguo ekinye igoti-ini kuona ari na mwana murwaru nja wa bururi na ni agatete tigiti wa gucoka nere guthire ihiga.
We be allowed to bring the accused person to court on Monday for purposes of taking plea.
This court directed Mr. Osemo to avail evidentiary proof to confirm that position. Today, Mr. Osemo counsel has availed a document dated the 10th of July. So as it is, there is nothing to support the fact that the accused person was not able to travel on the 25th for any reason. So without any plausible ground why the accused person was not able to travel on the 25th, as he had earlier indicated, and also furnished this court with his travel itinerary, I have no, my hands are tied, but to issue a warrant of his arrest.
Spencer ekoirwo gukungia warana guthondeka marua ma kwigaya ma muonjoria uri arugamagirira ta wakiri ROBSON uria wahurukire mwaka wa 2012. Itanya ari kugaya buroti mwena wa Karen iri mwena wa Upper Hill cia makiria ma ciringi mirioni 500. Cira uyu wambikitwo ni muteti Agnes Kagure uria wahuranagira giturwa kia gavana wa Nairobi akiuga ni agurite buroti ici na muigana wa ciringi mirioni 100 mbeca baribari kuma kuri ROBSON atanahuruka.
This person having committed that he'll be here on Monday, the 11th day of August, the same can be purged on that day upon his presentation to court. So warrants of arrest to issue will mention the matter on the 11th of August.
Riu akiendwo gwikinya igoti-ini tariki 11 mweri uyu gwitika thitango ici. Kameme TV ngikuhe uhoro gitau wa Wanjikũ.